All right, parents and students of honors biology. Real quickly, we have looks like we're gonna have a test this Thursday. I'll never have a test earlier than that once I say that, but I always give myself room to push it back if necessary. So right now we're looking at this exam on Thursday, depending on where we're at. So your lab reports are due on Tuesday, tomorrow, when you guys get back. There was some confusion, and I want to apologize for this for the Honors Bio 2 class. There was some confusion about the data. The class is so small that we had to we only did the stimulant instead of the stimulant and the depressant, and it was a little bit confusing for them on the graphing part. But it's not your whole grade is not based on the graph itself. So just do the best you can on that, and you're not gonna fail if you have the wrong graph, okay? But your lab reports are due on Tuesday. I want to apologize for that confusion. It was a little bit more confusing because we only did stimulants. If we did stimulant and depressant, it would be a little bit easier for you guys to understand. You guys were freaking out because you only had like 2 data points. So anyway, that's just because we had a small class, and it's not that big a deal in the grand scheme of things. Anyway, other than that, our test is on Thursday. To do well in the test, you need to, on my website, go to your objectives right here, click on that, and if you know all these, you'll do fine. You should do okay on the test. Also, the Daphne Lab report, hopefully you're looking at the rubric that I'll be grading you on. So this is it, and hopefully when you wrote this, you did all of these things here, and then you'll be fine on that also. Hopefully that helps. I'm doing the YouTube videos just so much easier for me to talk like this as opposed to type out a really long email. It just saves me a ton of time. Anyway, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. Yeah, that's it. Thanks.